my mommy is going to be teaching other mommies how to do other hairstyles. And you saw what Daddy did. Today, I'm going to let Mommy do it. And let's get started.
So in today's video, I'm going to show you about four easy styles that you can do on your daughter's hair. It's easy for dads to do as well. So I love using the rubber bands in Maddie's hair. We've been using rubber bands in her hair for a while. I don't know, it just makes the styles look cute. It's simple and easy to use. They do not cause damage to their hair. At least the ones that we use do not cause damage to her hair. And you can put as many plaids, as many, styles as you want using the rubber bands. So I'm just going to show you a few using the rubber bands. I can leave the link down below of the rubber bands that we use. I mean, we just got straight from the beauty supply store, but you can find them at Sally's Beauty as well. This style here, it's pretty much just four easy plaits. I mean, they can just wear their hair just like that. You don't have to do much. All you do is just split the hair into fours. Start from the top, or you can start from the middle, whichever floats your boat. You're more than welcome to start it however you want to. All you have to do is just put four rubber bands in the four plaits, and that's pretty much it. Or you're more than welcome to put as many as you want. You can split the hair into 6, you can split it into 8, you can split it into 10. However you want to do it, it's totally up to you. But if you're just looking for a quick job, 4 is just simple and easy, and they're ready to get going. So what I like to do is I like to braid her hair and add little accessories on there. I just like to add accessories just to spice up her hair, add some flavor to it, just so that way it's not looking just simple, but it looks girly and all that good stuff. Just like that. Alright, so in the next style, this is a hack for any moms out there or dads that cannot do a French braid, because I cannot do one to save my life. So if you're looking for an easy way to do a French braid, this is a easy and quick way for you to do it. So what you're going to do is you're going to split the hair into 3. So you add a split at the top, add it in the middle, and you add it at the bottom. And then all you gotta do is put the rubber bands in. And another thing about the rubber bands is that they're not noticeable, because sometimes when you use hair bows or barrettes, you can see the color, you can see the balls, or you can see the designs, or whatever the case is. But with the rubber bands, they pretty much camouflage with the hair, and you can add clips, you can add bows, and it won't, it just won't be noticeable. So that's another reason why I love the rubber bands as well. So I'm going to split the middle, and then brush her hair, of course. Only wrap the rubber band around the hair 3 times, because I feel like doing it too many times, either it's going to break, or it's going to cause damage, or it's just going to be tight, and I don't want anything to be tight on her hair, on her head as well. So I just put it around 3 times, and with it being wrapped around 3 times, it's secured and it stays very well. So now you're going to braid the hair. So as you're braiding it down, or as you're braiding it, you want to braid it down the middle. And as you're braiding it down the middle, you want to grasp to the, you want to grasp each ponytail together, just so that way it's forming one braid down the middle. So as you see, I took the top one and I'm braiding it with the middle one, and then I'm going to braid it with the last one, and I'm going to braid it all the way until the end, and then secure it with a rubber band. Boom, that's it. Voila, that's it. And you're more welcome to add accessories however you would like to do it. So the last style that I'm going to show you all, you're pretty much going to split the hair into 3. You're going to put 2 small plaits in the front, and then you're going to have 1 big one in the back. Like I said, you're going to have 2 in the front, and then you're going to have 1 big one in the back. And then you're going to apply your rubber band. So I know you guys love the wash day videos. I really appreciate you guys' support. You guys have reached out to me pertaining to hair care products via email, Facebook. I really appreciate you guys reaching out to me because you guys are awesome. I love doing these videos. You're going to braid the two front, and then you're going to bring it to the back, and then you're going to wrap it around the ponytail, secure with the rubber band, and call it a day. Then you put the accessories, or if you really want to spice it up, you can add a bun, one of the donut buns, and then you just spread the hair around. And I actually have a tutorial on how to do a ballerina bun, so I can link it here if you like. And then you just put the hair, you just wrap the hair around it, secure the rubber band if it fits, or if not, then you're more than welcome to use a scrunchie, and then voila, that's pretty much it.
Thank you for watching. We'll do this again with Mommy and Daddy. Bye. Peace.
Good girl. Yay. See, you're becoming a natural. Ooh, it's thundering outside.